There are many opportunities ahead, but there are also many risks and an increased complexity of the market, which require a new business model that rely on risk sharing and collaboration to a much higher extent than in the past.
In the US, gas turbines are hot. You know, there's a change from coal to gas. Asia, there's also a tremendous boom with respect to gas turbines. But in Europe, it's quite a different situation, because here gas turbines are nearly mothballed, phased out because of the very low price of coal.
In the next years, there will be more and new renewables in Europe. And if I'm talking in this market, I'm talking about the European market at this moment. And so the flexibility has to increase much more.
In the last 10 years, oil industry is facing a situation that we find gas and oil in very remote areas. Deep water, Arctic environment, very tropical environment, extreme cold climates. So these machines need to perform in all conditions.
For the future, we need that developments that reduce the footprint, reduce the size and weight of the gas turbine, not only the gas turbine, but the complete package. Another point that I would say that we need to improve is the quality of the air filtering system.
Whenever you see consolidation, there's bound to be an increase in equipment prices, and I think that's one of the key things you'll see, because there's less choice on the market, or you have a few core competitors there. I think it will lead to an increase in equipment prices, gas turbine prices over the years.
You have to push the OEMs, and sometimes you have to challenge them to go to extend limits they have.
Benchmarking, sharing knowledge, sharing vision for the future is key, because in isolation an oil company cannot develop a strategy with OEMs. It has to be with the oil and gas members as well as with the power industry.
Ultimately though, we try to make a machine that's more efficient, which leads to a lower cost of electricity and hopefully lower cost overall.
The direction where we have to go: sustainability, competitiveness, security of supply. The gas and the gas turbine sector fits part of it. It will have a future, and we will create the necessary funding, at least from an EU point of view. There is a need, certainly an additional need for private funding, for national funding, for regional funding, but that will all help, hopefully, to get that industry also in the future much more prominent.